May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy on our brothers and sisters in Gaza and Palestine in general. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lift this ghumma, this atrocity, this I don't even have a really right word from what we are seeing, subhanAllah. May Allah make it easy. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lift the injustice. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it weigh heavily in their scale. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept everyone who died as martyr. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give patience and a beautiful patience to all those who have left and lost beloved ones, and then for everybody who lost everything. It's getting, subhanAllah, very challenging. The thing I will say to everybody before we delve into Surah Al-Kahf, and I'm going to cover parts of Surah Al-Kahf that is we needed these days more than any other time, is anything we are seeing, subhanAllah, we are seeing external. We are seeing the unimaginable. Many of us have not seen this before. I say this to myself to stay strong, because that's what we all need to do now. We all have to stay strong. Whatever we are seeing, and again, we are seeing the unimaginable. The question always, and I ask myself morning and evening, and everybody should, what does Allah want from me at this moment? Me living outside Gaza, outside Palestine. It doesn't matter where we are living, but we are living outside, meaning we are living in peace, walillah alhamd, and we are living in prosperity. The level of prosperity is different, but we all are living in prosperity. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We have roof, we have health, we have food, we have iman, we have faith. We're not worried about what tomorrow is going to happen, or in the night who's going to bomb me, or I'm going to lose probably my family. All this insecurities, alhamdulillah, we are not. So what does the people of Gaza want from us? Stay strong. Your faith needs to be even stronger. Support them in any way you can. Again, dua, good deeds. Stay away from sins. And you never know, a one good deed of a righteous person, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give them.